Hello Instagram, Clavel Guitar Company. So wanted to show you a thing that I did last night. This is one of my personal favorites. I was looking for a super strat style of guitar. Dual humbuckers, 24 frets. Plays some faster stuff. It's also got this tremolo system here. The company is called Shading Bird, and I've only really ever seen these kinds of guitars out in Japan, but anyway, I replaced the pickups. I got a couple of PRSs in here. We're going to focus on this one right now, the neck pickup. This is a Dragon 2 bass for the neck position. So when I was messing around with the wiring, I wanted to see what the split coil sounded like to get that single coil action, and I loved it. But there's my problem. Did I want the split coil or do I want the humbucker? So what I actually ended up doing, making another hole here, and I added this toggle switch. It's a two-way toggle switch, and it lets me choose between the two of them. So right now I've got it in the humbucker position. And then if I switch it the other way, I get the single coil. Real simple like that, and it doesn't affect anything over here. So this one sounds exactly the same, doesn't affect anything there. I wanted to leave this one just the way it was. I like the humbucker position, sorry, for the bridge. But it will affect the middle. Very slightly, very slightly. I don't know if you can hear it. Where it really makes a difference is my Boss Distortion DS1 here. I'm going to switch it into the neck position and first hear it on the humbucker action. And then with the single coil. I really like single coil pickups for whenever I play like punk style music. Back into the humbucker position so you can hear the difference. I think this will end up as part of the design in another guitar, so I'm excited to utilize that aspect. Thanks for watching.